Alright guys, how are you doing? Let's talk about something brilliant, something everyone loves. Meatballs. But not just any meatballs. Proper, juicy, flavor-packed meatballs. On the table in about 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Forget those dry, boring ones. We're making something truly special. The whole family running to the dinner table. It's a lifesaver on a busy weeknight when you want proper food but haven't got hours. It's simple, it's fast, and absolutely delicious. A big, beautiful bowl of pasta covered in rich tomato sauce dotted with homemade meatballs. Not complicated chef food, for everyone. Beginner or pro, you can nail this. Simple ingredients, clever little tricks, a whole lot of love. Tastes like it took all day. Maximum flavor, minimum fuss. Roll up your sleeves, apron on, let's make magic. Making meatballs from scratch is easy, not a faff. Quicker than takeaway, 100 times more satisfying. Ready? Let's get into it, it's going to be pukka. Right, first things first. Let's get our ingredients sorted. You don't need anything fancy. Good quality, simple stuff you'll find anywhere. We're keeping it affordable and accessible because great food shouldn't cost the earth. The star of the show is the mince. I like beef and pork. Beef for deep flavor, pork for the fat that keeps them juicy. If you can only get one, choose beef with 15-20% fat. Don't go super lean. Fat is flavor. Next, a few things to bind and add texture. Grab a nice fresh egg, the glue that keeps meatballs together. We also need breadcrumbs. You can buy them, but it's easy to make your own. Blitz stale bread, and you're done. Panko is brilliant for a lighter texture. And a bit of Parmesan. Please grate it yourself. It melts better and tastes miles better. Now for the flavor bombs. We need a small onion and a couple of cloves of garlic. Essential foundations. They add a sweet, aromatic base. Chop them really fine so every bite is balanced. A little fresh parsley, chopped stems and all, loads of flavor in the stalks. Finally, a few store-cupboard staples. You'll need a splash of milk, or even water. Top tip, soak breadcrumbs first. It's the secret to incredibly moist meatballs. Then some salt and freshly ground black pepper. That's it. Simple, everyday ingredients. Nothing to be scared of. Let's get to the spices. Okay team, let's talk spices. This is where we go from good to unbelievable. A good spice blend is your secret weapon. It gives character and depth. The wow factor. We want warm, a little smoky, totally delicious, not overpowering. Create a symphony where everything sings together. Don't be shy, spices are your best mate. First, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, the sweet smoked one. Subtle smokiness, beautiful color. Next, half a teaspoon dried oregano. Classic Italian vibes, then fennel seeds, lightly crushed, slightly sweet aniseed, a perfect partner for pork. Trust me, smoked paprika, dried oregano, crushed fennel seeds, bosh, like heat. Add a pinch of chili flakes or a touch of cumin for warmth. Use flavors your family loves. Cooking should be fun. Experiment. But this simple trio guarantees mouth-watering flavor, a little touch of magic, core blend sorted. Let's bring it together. Alright, let's get down to business. We've got our beautiful ingredients and our pukka spice blend. Now we bring it all together. Most important rule, don't overwork the mixture. Be gentle. Overmixing makes meat tough. We want tender, juicy. Prep aromatics, onion finely chopped, or grate for extra juice. Garlic fine too, into the bowl. Parsley, chopped nice and fine. Look at those vibrant colors, breadcrumbs, splash of milk or water. Quick stir, let sit. That panade is our moisture secret. Add beef and pork, add soaked breadcrumbs and grated Parmesan, in with smoked paprika, oregano, fennel, a pinch of salt and fresh black pepper. Crack in the egg, everything's in, ready for magic. Before mixing, wash hands and take off rings or watches. Use fingertips like claws, gently toss and turn. Lift from the bottom, break clumps. Not kneading dough. See the green parsley, orange paprika, white Parmesan coming together? About a minute. The moment it looks uniform, stop. Seriously, stop. Wet your hands. No sticking. About golf ball size, maybe smaller. Roll with light pressure, firm shape, not dense. Fill the tray. You'll get about 20-24. Your meatballs are rolled and beautiful. It's time to cook. Large non-stick skillet, medium-high heat, a good lug of olive oil. Add meatballs one by one, don't overcrowd. Let them sizzle a couple minutes before moving. That crust, massive flavor. After 2-3 minutes, turn gently. Aim for even color all around. The whole process about 8-10 minutes. Browned outside, cooked through inside. If adding to sauce, brown first, then finish in simmering tomato sauce 5-10 minutes. They'll soak up sauce and get even more tender. Serving as is, cut one, no pink inside. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked, golden, delicious meatballs. Bosh! Secrets to juicy every time. First, fat content. Use 15-20% fat or a beef and pork mix. Second, panade. Soaked breadcrumbs hold moisture. Keep the crumb light and tender. Third, don't overmix. Combine evenly, then stop. Gentle touch equals soft texture. Cook on medium-high, hot enough to sear, not so hot you burn before cooking through. Finish in sauce to soak even more moisture and flavor. Follow these rules and you'll have pukka, juicy meatballs every time. Right, you've made stunning meatballs, golden, juicy, and incredible. Serve classic with spaghetti and a simple rich tomato sauce. Good tinned plum tomatoes, a bit of garlic, a splash of olive oil, a few basil leaves. Finish cooking meatballs in the sauce, toss with pasta, grate parmesan, drizzle extra virgin olive oil, total crowd pleaser. Don't stop at spaghetti, make a brilliant sub. Toast a baguette or ciabatta, load with meatballs and sauce, top with mozzarella or provolone, melt till bubbly. Serve as a party snack with toothpicks and dips. Fiery arrabbiata or cool garlic herb. Go tapas style with patatas bravas and a green salad. Leftovers shine tomorrow, on homemade pizza stuffed in pita with salad and yogurt, or over creamy polenta or mashed potatoes. One batch, multiple meals, get creative. There you have it. Juicy, flavor-packed homemade meatballs on the table in about 20 minutes. You learned the juicy secrets, built a pukka spice blend, and cooked to golden perfection. Be proud. Key tips: use meat with some fat, soak the crumbs, don't overmix, and get a good sear. Make it yours. Add chili, swap parsley for basil or mint, try lamb with couscous and yogurt. Share, teach the kids, have fun. You're a kitchen legend. Now enjoy every bite. Lovely jubbly.